Welcome to spring foraging in the UK. Discover 5 common wild edibles. 1. Wild garlic. Ramsons, with their garlicky scent, are abundant in woodlands. Number 2. Nettles. Despite their sting, nettles are packed with nutrition. Number 3. Dandelions. From bitter greens to sunny flowers, dandelions are versatile. Number 4. Ground alder. Often overlooked, ground alder offers a parsley-like flavor. And number 5. Sorrel. Sorrel's lemony tang is perfect for salads and soups. Get outdoors and explore the bounty of spring. Happy foraging!